I can take you anywhere, I can take you home. I just wanna be there so you never feel alone. I know how it feels to be lost inside this world. Don't give up, don't give up, no. I can take.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel, y'all. I am back with another video. So today's video is gonna be a makeup video. So I went to the drugstore the other day and I found this brand of makeup. I was really surprised, so that inspired me to do a makeup video for you guys. The fact that I was able to find Black Radiance while I was cruising around the drugstore, I didn't even go for it, and then I saw it and I'm like, okay, I'm gonna grab a couple of stuff to try and I'm gonna show you guys how it looks. First of all, take a look at my wash and go. Look at the curls, bro. The curls are just here to stay, honey. And you know, the length is here. This is just shrinkage. You feel me? Don't get it twisted. Don't get it twisted. This is what I grabbed. I grabbed this palette, Black Radiance True Complexion Contour. Also has highlight inside. So I'm going to show you guys the inside, okay? This is how it looks inside. You have like instructions right here. They're showing you exactly where to contour if you don't know how to, which is great for beginners. And inside you have the colors. This is the dark color, perfect for me, like perfect for me to to contour with. This is like a light color in the middle. I've never seen this one before. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it, but I feel like I'm gonna use it as like a bronzer. And then you have the highlight. So here, the other product that I grabbed was the blush. I haven't used a blush in so long. I remember I used to just love blushes, and I have not grabbed a blush in a while. I don't know, I just grabbed this color because it attracted me and I feel like it would look pretty on my skin tone. Then I grabbed this powder. This is a loose setting powder. It's very like it's in my color, like literally. I don't know if you can tell inside, but it's in my color. I haven't even opened it yet. And I also grabbed the eyeliner. Surprisingly, this is a black eyeliner. I don't use black eyeliners anymore, but I was looking for a black eyeliner because even if I don't use it on a day-to-day basis, I still want to have the option to have it if ever I change my mind. They call it eye appeal liner, so nothing more to say about eyeliner. Then I grabbed mascara. Man, I love mascaras. I have criteria of mascara that I grab. This one didn't really fit the criteria 100% just because of this one here, the tip. I don't like the plastic ones. I like bristles, that one. And then if this one had bristles in it, I think it would have been bump. So those are all the things from Black Radiance. We're gonna get into our makeup like we do usually, so let's get into it. Let's go.
So first thing first, let's create a nice little base with our foundation from the Fenty Beauty line. This is my fave and I use it all over my face with a nice little brush that I got from Sephora. This is really a great brush for me because it just blends really well. Now, after the whole blending of the foundation, I'm going to move on to the next step, which will be the eyebrows. I'm gonna grab my pencil from MAC in color Spice and I'm going to brush the brows first. Then after I brush, I'm gonna follow up with the filling really lightly. Don't do it too much. Your brows are very, like, they can look really bad if you do too much. curves everything, bring it to life a little bit with your favorite eyebrow pencil. Now after I do the lining, I will brush it one more time. Then I'm gonna go and clean it up a little bit with my trusty NARS concealer in a little pot with my trusty brush from MAC 2. This brush is it's a flat brush. I love that brush. Then I'm gonna blend it with my fingers. There, I feel like my brows are presentable. I can go outside now. Just kidding. I'm gonna add a little bit of clear gloss. No, this is not clear gloss. This is clear mascara. And it looks nice and in place. Now, let's move on. Now we're gonna put concealer. Just gonna conceal under the eyes. In this moment, if you had bags, you didn't sleep enough, don't miss this step, okay? I don't know what I'm talking about, but I'm just concealing, and I'm going to blend with the brush underneath my eyes. And I changed the brush to a smaller one just to have a better grip and precision. And I'm just gonna blend everywhere where I have applied my concealer. Now the star of the show is my loose powder by Black Radiance. I'm going to grab the loose powder. It's really a nice color. I could literally use this as a foundation, like a base for all over my face. But I will lightly tap it on top of my concealer. It's so beautiful. It looks airbrushed, literally. Like no cakiness, nothing, no flashback when I take pictures. This powder is actually top 5. It's sitting with the big boss, okay? Yes. Now that my face is all done up, I have a nice base. I can go ahead and do my eyes. With my eyes, I'm taking that little color in the middle. It's really not for your eyes, but I do whatever when it comes to makeup. I make the rules around here, okay? Anyways, I use it all over my eyes. And then I'm using the contour color for my eyes as well. Like, you make the rules when it comes to makeup. Makeup is really just what you make of it, you know? You try everything and you do what you gotta do. But now I'm gonna really use the contour for the right reasons. I'm gonna use it on my cheekbones. Look, ooh, you see? Yeah. And I'm gonna do the other one. I'm gonna go back with that bronzer color, and I'm gonna put it all over, you know, all over. Not all over, but on the top, like contouring, on top of the contour. Okay, yes. Then I'm gonna go with the eyeliner that I said I bought as well, on top of my eye, following my eye shape, and then using a brush to smudge it. And then now I'm gonna do extra, and actually no, I'm gonna do the mascara first. I love this mascara. If it was not for the top, it would have been the best mascara, but so far it's just decent. I like it though. It does the job. If it was up to me, this is the end of my makeup. I'm going about my life, but because it's YouTube and I want to be extra, I'm gonna add and slap on them lashes, then falsies, and make it a big entrance. Okay, yeah. That's it. And I'm gonna add my blush, you know, just to blush a little bit. And it's pigmented, so you gotta be careful. Grab it a little bit, and there you have it. I'm gonna take the highlight on top of my cheekbones, and I'm gonna just reach the cheekbones and make it pop. I know you guys see this. I know you see that. You see that? Yes, you see that. You saw it. Me and you both saw the glow. Okay. Then I'm gonna do my lips. The lip pencil was from MAC and the lipstick is from MAC. And this lip gloss is from Riri Fenty. This was a nice Christmas gift. Anyways, I enjoyed making this video for you guys. Please like my video to help your girl with recommendation from YouTube, and then subscribe to my channel since you've already watched the video, and also leave a comment, say what's up, and I will meet you in the comment section.
I'm done with my full makeup using some of the great Black Radiance items, and yes, loved it completely. I think I have found my everyday powder. This is how I found James. Oh yeah, this is literally really something I'm gonna be using now every time I do my makeup, like to set my makeup. So thank you guys for watching. Thumbs up this video. Let me know how did you like my makeup on a scale of 0 to 10. Comment down below. Don't miss me too much. I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Mwah.
Loving you, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world.